So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you find yourself thinking that you don't have enough time for this. Here's the truth, you can totally start a YouTube channel without making it your full-time job. And if you do this one thing, you'll finally get started even with the busiest schedule. See, a lot of people think that creating a YouTube channel requires a lot of work and that it might take easily 10 to 20 hours a week in order to make videos consistently. Now that is simply not true. Of course, it can take even 20 hours to record and edit one video. But if you do it the right way, then you will be able to create 3 to 5 videos every single week without burning out. And what if I told you you can do it in as less as 1 hour a week? Before I share my own strategy on how I am able to actually post 3 to 5 videos a week without burning out, despite having a full-time job, going to the gym every single day, and also hiking on weekends and pursuing a life coaching course, I want you to ask yourself this one question. Do you value perfection more or do you value consistency more? Because if you value consistency, then you will be able to create volumes of content every single week without burning out, and I will show you exactly how. Every Saturday, I set up my phone on a small tripod and I research 5 different topics that I want to make video about for the next week. Once I figure out those topics, I run them through ChatGPT using a prompt that I have, and I have it give me a few ideas on what I can talk about within those videos. Since my goal is to actually help people get more confident and also teach them how to create content, I try to blend both these strategies, and when I create the videos, I make sure that I speak to the mindset side of things and the YouTube strategy side of things. And so whatever your niche is, I want you to think about what advice or value would you provide your best friend if they were in your niche and you were actually helping them out. Once you have a rough outline of what you want to talk about in those videos, I simply just set this microphone, I sit across the phone, and I start talking into the phone, and I start recording all those 5 videos in one time. This process usually doesn't take me over an hour, and by the time the hour is done, I'm able to record at least 5 videos. Since I plan to make my videos anywhere from around 5 to 10 minutes, the whole process doesn't take a lot of time. And so the takeaway for you should be to make the video creation process as efficient and as sustainable as you can, because if you make it any more complex than your time allows you, then you would probably just lying to yourself and would not be able to stick to it. Now, once you're done recording all these videos, I want you to actually install CapCut, but on your desktop. I have a pro version of CapCut because what it allows me to do is it allows me to cut all the silences, any duplicate words that I talk, and any pauses that I have in the video. And I use the transcribe option, so it actually just trims the video down to leave only the most important bits of the video. Once I'm done transcribing the video, I just watch it once to ensure that there's no errors. And once that is done, all I do is add captions, add a little bit of sound effects and color grading, and that's pretty much it. And the video is ready to go. Now you might be thinking how you can go about creating a thumbnail, right? It's very easy as well. I actually have a few thumbnail templates on my Canva account, so I just edit the titles a little bit and I'm able to create new thumbnails for every video. Your goal is to not become a video editor or a storyteller or the best thumbnail editor in the world. Your goal is to simply create content that resonates with the people that you're trying to help and talk to them as if they were sitting across you. Once you focus on those things instead of trying to go viral, trying to find the best sound effects or the best thumbnail, I promise you this will allow you to stay consistent. And it might not happen in 1 month, but within 2-3 months or 6 months, you will definitely see how confident you get talking to the phone, and at the same time, how confidently you'll be able to sustainably create content. So I hope this helps. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.